What else?
Get off.
Tell them to
Get off.
Is that me?
Okay, sit up.
No, I think they just.
Yeah, they do this. They put their hand out and that's like a sign that you need to get off.
Yeah.
Get off.
You don't need to say get
No.
off.
I think we'll just go let's go.
What else?
I think feelings is good now.
Feelings.
Cho này của Holly này cả là
Hmm?
cho khách này của Holly này cả.
Giờ căn hả muốn à?
I could be on the back.
Okay.
The props are good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll do feelings.
Such an open face.
What is this?
I'm feeling happy.
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 I'm
Happy.
feeling
I'm gonna
happy.
break my knees, man.
Well, you can sit on the bike.
The back.
Maybe tired.
I'm feeling.
Do some Z's. Just put like a line out there like Z's.
I mean, they need us to.
À.
I'm feeling tired.
Feel
Tired.
Tired.
Sleep. I feel tired.
buồn.
For the sound one, I'm going to say it to them, see if they know it.
Tired.
Because it's just like,
I don't know what it's like.
Happy.
what's this?
Nào.
I am.
Sleepy.
Not sleep. This one sleep. Tired.
Sleep.
Sleep. I
Tired.
am.
Sleep.
I am sad.
Buồn.
Sad.
Sad. Sad. Buồn.
Sad. I
Sad.
am sad.
I am sad.
How am I going to do this? What's this sick emoji?
Like.
I'm thinking of the sick emoji.
I don't think that
I am like. How do you just?
I feel sick.
How do you say sick?
Ah,
Okay, sit on the back.
No.
Sit on the
Sick,
back.
sick. So sick.
Someone get on the back.
Sophie gets some water. Hello.
Are you okay?
I'm feeling sick.
à, yeah.
Okay, let's stop.
ốm.
So get
I
off.
like sick.
Nôn nữa ốm.
I've got a headache. I am sick.
À, sẽ ốm.
Sick.
I am sick.
I am sick. Sick. Sick.
Sick.
Sick.
And also mean like cool, like sick.
Sad.
No, because what someone goes, oh, sick.
Yeah,
You're like,
you'll get the feeling.
Hopefully context will help. I think just do
So
the
let's drill
short
over
thing.
this. Okay, what's this one?
Happy.
I am
Happy.
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 This one? Happy.
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 This one?
Tired.
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 Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
This one?
Sad.
Sad. I'm gonna cry. Sad.
Sad.
This one?
Sick.
Sick.
I want to be sick.
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 I think hungry is a good one to know.
Hungry.
If you've got hungry, yes.
What about when you're hungry? You want to eat?
I'm hungry.
Good.
You want to eat? I can't draw a picture, but I'm not gonna.
Là đói hả?
Đói.
Đói.
You guys look hungry?
You know, hungry. I need.
Yeah, I know.
I need food. I
Yeah.
want to eat. I am
Eat.
hungry.
Yeah, I know.
You know. There you go. One dozen of this.
What else could we be?
Just keep going over this. I've got no idea what to do. I don't know if they can write or I can get rid of them. Write them at the top and you can match them.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then I'll write them here to make it easier.
Do you want to help?
No. You don't want to be a
Okay, which one is this?
Happy.
Happy.
Somebody come and write down. Choose here.
There we go.
Viết.
Viết. Cái này nhớ mà.
Nối. Quên quá.
Nhớ mà.
Happy là nhớ.
Happy.
Hey!
Good job!
Từ happy là rất quen thuộc.
Somebody else.
Quen thuộc.
I am
What's this one?
Tired.
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 Who wants
Tired.
to write it?
You've got those.
Học sinh yếu thế là mua
Sleepy or tired?
Yeah.
That's good.
Now this one. Okay, so it's happy. This one?
Sad.
Is.
Cái này thì dễ quá rồi. Sad. Viết chữ bờ vào đấy cũng được mà.
This is actually good because their written language is sick.
Yeah, exactly. Make it so much easier.
So the last one?
Sick. Sick.
You write That's sick.
Sick.
Good job.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, now they have to guess what you're doing. So, you come and do something. Come over here, please. Come over here. And be something. Pick one of these. Yeah, pick one and act it out. And you have to guess what is she. What is she?
Makes me.
What is this?
Sad. Sad.
Này sinh hết.
Sad.
Okay. Come on, what are you?
Sạc là khác à?
Buồn.
No, look, Okay. Yeah.
Sleep. Sleep.
Okay.
It's your turn.
I'm on the bike.
Sick. Sick. Sick.
Okay, what for? Sleeping now. Happy.
You go.
We could do a whole new.
They'll start saying they're hungry sometimes. They want to do.
Okay, we'll get rid of this.
Yeah. Okay.
I could just keep this circle.
Stop. Reuse.
Recycle. Okay. What are some others?
I can try hungry again. I don't think we've done hungry. Hungry.
How do we do it first?
What about hot as well?
Yeah. Well, you can't
You
really
could do a
I
sweat.
know, but maybe we can just show them on Google Translate.
You can do this, and then like a sweat. Because there's that emoji, isn't there?
Yeah, but people use that in the wrong context. Think about it.
Oh, I always use it for
Okay.
like that. Like this.
That's not hungry.
No, that's
Hot.
Hot.
It's just
Hot.
there. I didn't mean to do that.
If we
It's
have
just there.
Hot.
Hot.
Like me now, I'm
Wait,
sweating.
guys, I've got this. Hot.
Hot.
Cold. Cold.
okay.
Cold.
Hot.
So
Yeah.
hot is this.
Hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot.
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 I feel hot.
Hot.
Vietnam is hot.
Vietnam is hot.
Sweat. This is sweat.
Hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
What's
And then do cold then. Yeah. And cold.
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 Yeah.
Cold.
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 Oh, we could try a hat. A winter hat.
Oh, it's like a helmet.
A little bobble hat.
I think they have those. Okay. So cold.
I'm gonna do
Cold.
translation for hungry.
No. This one. Cold.
Cold.
Oh, it's so cold.
If I am hungry. 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 So if we have, you know, this
Hungry.
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 That looks
I'm
like
hungry. I want to eat. I am hungry.
I am hungry.
That looks like someone's eating something.
It looks like that Dodger man from Home Alone, so I think we need to be wrong.
What's another? I said I'm
Well,
wrong.
I've just done hungry.
Okay. How do I do it first for that?
I don't think you can. I think just got to go hungry.
So just we'll write hungry now. Because we've already said hungry as well.
Yeah, so maybe just draw a face with like a line for a mouth because you're upset. So
Or pizza hanging out.
Dọc bao.
Họ dùng một cạnh để không cạnh cọc và từ cái lý đó là bao
Then
nói
you've done the
là
back of the right one.
cái này khi đấy bao xài rồi dùng sạo
Đúng, có một giờ.
I think scared. Go scared. Yeah, okay, that's good practice. That's scared or hungry.
Scared. And the arms up in the air.
Wait, come learn.
This
Yeah.
one? No.
That's scared. Like, ah!
Like on the back of the back. Scared.
Like, oh my God.
Scared.
Scared.
Scared. Come on the back. You're
Scared. Scared.
Side side. Ah! Scared. No.
What are you?
Scared.
I am
scared.
Scared.
Slow down. Yeah.
Scared. I am scared.
Scared.
Let's say tôi sợ. Đúng rồi, đúng rồi. Scared. Scared. Scared.
Scared, cold, hot. We don't think about that, do we? We're done tired, drunk.
Side. Draw a drunk person. Draw a drunk person. And then you're going to stand
Ah.
I just know how to say drunk because the mechanics like I'm as drunk as they tell me I'm drunk.
We do cross eyes.
Okay, thank you, Savannah. I'm going home now.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
goodbye,
Bye.
see you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, perfect. Drunk. Side. Drunk.
Can be drunk.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. I am drunk. Too
I'm
much happy water.
Say,
Drunk.
Run.
Drunk.
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 Say,
I perfected it. Yeah. You know.
We'll do the same thing.
I am drunk.
Oh yeah, excellent.
Với tính này
Okay,
là
it's
con
the same. What is this one?
horse.
You coming right? Yeah. I'm trying to do it with people that not doing that.
số đăng ký thôi.
Rồi. Đăng ký không? Đăng ký không?
And what about this one?
Horse. Horse.
Cold.
This one's hot. This one hot. This one cold. Cold.
Cold. Thank you.
Good. Good.
Yeah, good job. Good job. This one.
Yeah.
Good.
Me?
Yeah?
Okay.
Either. Anyone.
Yeah, someone that hasn't moved. Scared.
Ui.
S. Yeah. S C A R E D.
I
Good job.
am scared.
Good job.
I'm scared.
Last one.
Thank you. Nice job.
Run.
Run.
Lên.
You've not
Lên. Cứ bỏ về hết. Còn ngồi
So I am drunk.
Yeah.
I like that.
Good job.
Very good.
Lúc chưa?
Shall we say thank you?
Lúc chưa?
I'll get rid of the bottom line.
You get rid of the line. Yeah. Right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Thank you.
If you want to learn again, come in the morning. I should translate.
Thank you.
Sáng mai.
You want to take a picture?
Okay.
Should we send me off?
This is just too good to go to waste.